Hello everybody, this is Shubhrata Nandi from Kolkata for Bombay Talkies. I'm just outside the Annex Theatres of the South City Mall after watching the Bengali movie Balaram Kando. This movie's duration is 1 hour 59 minutes and the movie is of the comedy drama type. The movie is directed by Saptasya Basu and produced by Papia Chakravarti and others. Here, the actors in the movie are Rajat Datta, Gargi Roy Chaudhary, we have Aishwarya Sen, Arya Das Gupta and others. Here is shown the two couples who separated for a long time, reunited after 12.5 years in the course of their daughters getting married unknowingly, and they find out in the social media and they don't even know that the daughter is getting married, and then they get in contact with each other and rush off to Nainital. And in the course of time here, a lot of nostalgic events happen, a lot of restructuring happens between the relations that continues, a lot of adventures happen, and how they try to block the marriage, and yet at the end they try for a successful marriage because they realize that the realization comes after long number of years that what their daughter is doing is very correct, and the choice is very correct, etc., etc. But in this kind of movies, you see the script is very flat. The script is not well balanced to the first half and the second half, and I would say there's no utar-chadhav in the script and very flat. And you see, when you see the movie, the laughter, this is a comedy movie, the timing has to be superb, the speed has to be superb. This doesn't happen. There's nothing called speed of the timing. Here you see the laughter, you have to forcefully laugh. The laughter is not coming spontaneously in the audience, so that's not right. In fact, I'm sure Director Saptasya Basu and his team can do a much, much better movie than this. Here, one must understand that in this kind of movie, speed has to be there, different angles has to be there, different types of comedy scenes has to be there, and lot of expressions and reactions where audiences can laugh spontaneously. So all this lacks in the movie basically. Here, the background score is very average, and you see, although the picture is very bright, but still, you see, the movement of the movie is still not, kicking, as you see. If I were to rate this movie, I would rate this movie 5 out of 10 only. According to me, the movie is average.